If you are thinking of leaving your job and looking for a side income or a side project, real estate investment or S&P 500 or ETFs or stocks or crypto, these are good investments, but it will give you rewards in the next 5 to 10 years, or in some cases maybe 20 years, which is the case of like real estate. So if your pain is to leave your job, you need something which is short term. Short term means you can build a stable cash flow based income in 6 months to a year. This business model is called Shopify dropshipping. Shopify is a platform where you can set up an online website very quickly, even if you are not a developer. And the business model is dropshipping. Dropshipping means you sell products without buying them. It is possible. So you integrate different products into your online store with Shopify. Once you get an order from the customer, you tell your supplier, and in most of the cases they will know automatically if you have set up all the integrations and everything and all the automation. And your supplier will ship the order directly to the end customer. That means you already have the money from the end customer. From the same money, you buy the product and send it to the end customer. So how do you make cash flow with this? You make cash flow in the form of profit margins. For example, the product costs $10 and you are selling it for $30. You pay $5 shipping or maybe another $3-4 delivery charges. You are left with like $10 to $15 net income. So this is per order. And from this point on, you can basically calculate if you are selling products successfully, how many orders on a daily basis you need to sell successfully. So you get 100 orders every day and you have a profit margin, net profit margin, $10. That means you make $1,000 every day from your dropshipping store, and in 30 days you make $30,000. So this $30,000, if you are able to achieve that, this is a good amount of money. You can travel around the world, you can sit on the beach, enjoy. So you can do whatever you want, and you don't need your paycheck that is keeping you in the job that you don't like. It worked for me, and it worked for me really, really good. So I was frustrated. I did not like my job. I was at a point where I was literally, giving up on everything. And then I resigned because there was no other way out. And I started researching about different business models. I found Amazon FBA, which is with the stock, and dropshipping, which is without the stock. So I did both of them, and both business models worked for me. Product research is a complete science. You need to find products that make you money in the long term, that are selling the whole year, because you want to have a consistent cash flow from your business, because it is like your salary. Like the net profit margins are your salary. You don't have a full-time job now. So it works for people who are consistent, who are disciplined, who are learning this every day, not once in a month. So you cannot build a business, you can forget about that. Shopify dropshipping, it is possible to build a business that is not a location dependent business, that is not an employee dependent business. You can work on your own, you can be one person business. I know a lot of people selling 3 million, 4 million from Shopify, and they don't have any team members. They don't even have any office, and they just do work from home or travel around the world. So, but this is not a, a fantasy scheme. This is a real business model that I am telling you. If you like my video, put in comments Shopify. And if you want to start on Shopify, take the first step today. Launch right away. Shopify has a starter plan that costs $1 every month for the first 3 months. You can test out, you can launch a few products, and then you can build an income around that. All the best.